So over here, you can see that I have a drawing file, and let's say you don't want this drawing file anymore, then you can easily move this drawing file to the bin. So to do that, you need to go to the file menu right here, and then over here you can see move to trash is an option. Once you click on this, what happens is that the file will be moved into trash. So it says the file has been moved to trash and TutorTube will be deleted. The file will be deleted after 30 days. So once you move to trash and you realize you don't want to move it to trash anymore, you can click on take out of trash right here, and then what happens is that it is not in trash anymore. So I'm just going to go to file and move it to trash, and once you do that, let's go back to drive right here. So once you do that, the file has been moved to trash, and if you want to recover up the file, you can go to trash right here, and over here you can see the file that you moved to trash directly from Google Drawing. So what you can do to restore this out is you can right click and click on restore right here, and the file will be restored, as you can see. So if I were to show the file location, you can see it right here. You can also directly go and right click in Google Drive and remove it, which moves it to trash again. And you can right click and restore it, or if you want to completely delete it forever, that you're absolutely sure that you do not want the file anymore, you can click on delete forever and click on delete forever again, and the file will be gone for good. And that is how you can move drawing files to bin inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.